What's up guys, welcome back to the NW Tech channel. So Apple had their first virtual event in this April, which is a spring-loaded event with a whole bunch of animations which I really liked, and it's really cool. So I'm gonna break down the most exciting and the biggest announcement of this Apple event. So the keynote was really impressive, as I said, and they made three big announcements which are amazing. So one is the AirTag, the M1 powered iMacs, the M1 powered iPad Pros. So let's look about the AirTags. So these things were rumored for such a long time, like forever, and never appeared at any event. So finally it is here. So this is an AirTag. It has this circular shape like the coin, like a Mentos maybe. So this thing directly connects to your iPhone, Find My Network, and it will connect to your tag and help you find your stuff if you misplaced or if you lost it. And when you're in the Bluetooth range, this will work really well, because now they will show how much of a distance you have with the AirTag and the exact direction. And the crazy thing is, if you lost an AirTag in any places, it will track the nearest iPhone and update its location in real time. So every time it moves, if it is stolen, it will connect with a nearby iPhone to update the location where it goes, which is really cool, I think. And if anyone finds your lost AirTag, if they have an iPhone or NFC enabled smartphone, they can just type and find the details of what you want to put in it, like the phone number and your name, those things. And they cost one for $29 and four for $99. To be honest with you guys, this is the most reasonable product that I have ever seen. The reasonable price product that I ever seen from Apple. It's pretty slim and 11.5 grams of weight, which is really cool, and you can put anywhere you want because no weight. Just keep in your pocket, maybe in your backpack, maybe in your wallet. So it's really easy if you have a AirTag. And it is also IP68 water resistance, and it is metal. So actually Apple is an expert of saying, so guess what, now you should buy the band separately, which costs $35. And tell me why this Hermes, I don't know I spelled it right or not, Hermes key tag is cost so much that you can buy 10 of these. Why it is so expensive? What is that? I have no clue. What is it leather? Maybe like 400. Holy shit, look at this. And also this has a battery which is replaceable, which is really cool. That I never thought Apple is a company which goes in the other way. If you gone out of battery, you have to buy another one, and they did the opposite way, which is absolutely amazing. And we really appreciate that, Apple. Really appreciate it. So the replaceable battery is a small battery, which is a coin-sized battery. You know that in your remotes, door remotes, the car remotes, that battery, you know, this one right here, this one is the battery. Okay, so the iMacs. So all the colors in the Apple event was ultimately comes to here, I think. It has a new look, it has this new build, but they thought of going to the retro iMacs color combination. This one has a new vibrant, which is really vibrant 7 colors, which has a red, orange, yellow, blue, aqua green, silver, with this new look, which is kind of similar to the XDR display in a sense. So this thing has a newly designed interior and exterior. They show the whole interior of the iMac, which is really cool. And if you see that, there are a lot of heat sinks, and it also runs with the newest M1 chip, which is so capable of doing hard work. So this thing has high performance as well. And to be honest, I really love how they made this. The colors combination, the two-tone color, and the white bezel is fine for me. It's not bad because the black bezels are not going with the colors. That's what I'm thinking. The white bezels are a little bit going with the colors, and I don't have any issue with the white bezels. And I really love the design and the colors because it gives this home and not industrial feeling. This is this home appliance that you use as this computer, this desktop, the new desktop that you use at home. That's they're trying to give. I don't see the industrial. I don't see they're trying to sell this as that. So I think they did a great job in there. So as I thought, it has this square design now, like the XDR display and a tilt hinge, and it's crazy thin. It is actually so thin. It's like this. It is 11.5 millimeter, which is approximately like this. It's so thin. It is actually the size of my finger, which is 11.5 millimeters. Holy shit, it is so thin. And also it only weighs 10 pounds, so who doesn't want a computer like that? And there is this large display now, which is 24 inches, which has a resolution of 4480 by 2420, and it has this huge chin in the bottom, and they put all the chips down there and the thermal stuff in the top. So they used to put all the chips and the fans and the processing thing. So actually, if you think, the bottom part is only the computer, the other things are completely different, and you can only see heat sinks and thermal cable. So maybe they could remove the chin and put these things in the backside of the iMac, and you have a big huge display. And then maybe they will do in the future keynote WWDC, they will announce something like that, but I don't think so. And also they make some color matching accessories like the magic mouse and the trackpad and the magic keyboard, which has a touch ID reader, which is really cool, and the new camera, which is upgraded a little bit, and a good speaker which has Dolby Atmos. And imagine this size computer have all these amazing things, which has a Dolby Atmos sound system, which is really cool. So the power cable is also color matching for the iMac, so you have the matching power cable, and now the power brick has a separate port for Ethernet, so you don't have to just connect your Ethernet connection to the iMacs. And 4 USB-C ports in the back and 2 are Thunderbolt. So this is actually a replacement as the older iMac, which is really outdated. So the M1 powered iPad Pros. So this thing has this familiar design with the same dimension and the rectangular body, and now it has this crazy powered chip, which is the M1 chip that hand put by Tim Cruse, which is really amazing. That in the keynote, that was really good. He just took the chip out of the laptop, boom, in the iPad, kaboom. It's not easy like that. So also with the A12 Bionic chip, iPad really performed really well. So now with the M1 chip, which has more capability and more power, this iPad can go into another level, which is really cool. You can do editing, you can do all the computer stuff in the iPad. And due to the new chip, now the USB Type-C port is a Thunderbolt port, and also because of the new chip, now there is 5G capability also, and this has a max storage of 2 TB, which is really cool. So in this event, they had the new Apple TV 4K, which has a new remote, and also they implemented a new iPhone 12 with a pink color. That's why I just wear the pink color t-shirt. So guys, that's been it. Thanks for watching. Like, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel right now, subscribe. You know, it's free, it's awesome, and it's amazing. You know, just feel free to subscribe. It is absolutely free, and you can unsubscribe at any time you want if you don't like my content. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like, hit the subscribe button, and notify yourself, and hit the bell. You know, hit the bell so you will be updated in the next video that I'm gonna put. You're not gonna miss it, right? You're not gonna miss it. Alright guys, that's been it, and hope you enjoy. Have a nice day. See you.